Hello. Today I'm talking about Leela. Leela is divine play. So, divine play means like you enjoy every moment, whatever life throws at you. Yeah. Um, but our natural essence are like peace, joy, laughter, bliss. Those are our natural essence, right? But as we grow, we forget all, and we adapt all this lack belief, victim mentality, not enough, and all these things. So then we just create this inner conflict, right? And so every morning what we're choosing, we got to remember that. And whatever we choose, yeah, that's what we experience. So divine play is to know when to be on the stage and when to be in the audience. Yeah, that's divine play.